In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Capital.com app. So first of all, when you open the Capital.com app, it is going to take you to the home page, which is the screen that you're looking at right here. So if you already have an account, this is what you're going to be able to see right here. So from here, if you come on the bottom here and then click on watch list, here, this is where you're going to be able to access different markets that you can trade. So here you can trade Forex pairs, as you can see here. You can click on indices right here. This is where you're going to find indices. You can trade all indices right here. You can also actually click on cryptos. This is where you're going to find different cryptocurrencies that you can trade on the Capital.com app, as well as shares, ETFs, and many more. So take an example. Let's say you want to trade Forex pairs. You can just click on the Forex pairs here. And then from here, you just need to choose any pair that you want. So I'm just going to choose GBP US dollar by just clicking on it here like this. And that's basically going to open the chart of the GBP US dollar pair. So from here, if you come on the sort of like bottom here and then click on the box icon here by just doing like this. So what's going to happen is that this is going to expand your chart. So when you expand your chart like this is going to allow you to actually use drawing tools and also add indicators on a chart. Like, for example, let's say you want to actually draw trend lines. You just need to come to your left right here. This is where you can access your drawing tools and then click on this trend line tool here and then select it by clicking on it. And then you can go on your chart. Like, for example, I'm just going to put it right here, then take the other side and then expand it and position it on the second point like this. So just when you're done, you can just click on it right here, or you can also come on the top here and then click on this sort of like pen icon here. This can allow you to change the color if you want to. So let's say we want to give it a purple color. We're just going to select purple color like this. If you want to expand it, you can just expand it by coming here. Then you can actually give it make it thicker. So as you can see here, guys, we now have our trend line too. So this is what you can just do if you want to do your analysis using drawing tools, draw support and resistance, and any other items right here. The other thing that you can do here is that you can actually find indicators. So if we come on the top right here and then click right here where we can see this sort of like FX sign here, click on that section. This is going to allow you to see different indicators that are available on the Capital.com app. So as you can see here, these are the indicators available. Take for example, let's say we want to add an indicator on the chart. You can just select any indicator. We're just going to select the RSI by clicking on it. By just doing that, that's basically going to add the RSI indicator on the chart. As you can see here, we now have it on our chart. From here as well, you can also change time frames. Come on the top left corner here, click where it says 4H. This is going to show you all the time frames that you can switch into. Like, for example, if you want to switch to like 30 minutes, just click on 30 minutes here, and that's basically going to switch you to the 30 minutes time frame. So if we go on the top left corner here and then click on this sort of like plus icon here, this is going to bring us back on this section here. So now let's say you want to place a trade or buy and sell. What you just need to do basically is to choose whether you want to sell or whether you want to buy, right? So if you want to buy, you can just select buy here, and then you want to start by clicking on this sort of like settings icon here so that you can set your parameters for your trade. So take an example, when you want to buy, like let's say we want to buy GBP US dollar, you want to come here where it says quantity, and then you can actually select the amount of GBP US dollar that you want to buy. So you can actually adjust to any parameters that you want. Let's say we want to set it on 500 here. You can see the margin required here. And also another thing that you can do is that you can set your stop losses and take profit by just turning these buttons on like this, and then you can go ahead and set your take profit in dollars right here. So as for me, I'm just going to turn this off here because I'm not going to use it. So now to go ahead and buy, you just need to click on buy here, and as you can see, that's basically going to open a position. So now if you click on OK here, come on the bottom right here and then click on portfolio. This is going to allow you to see your portfolio of your running trades. As you can see, this is our GBP US dollar pair position that we've opened. So if we click on it, this is going to show us more information about that particular trade. So let's say you want to close it. You can just click on close here and then click on sell to close on the red button. And that's basically going to close your trade. So basically, guys, that's how you can use the Capital.com trading app.